Helo a croeso I Gemau Retro, ble hefyd ni'n mynd I bod yn chwarae Iron Commando. Right. Yeah, ni'n cael y snares eto. Yn trio stop off on. Right, 2 players, start a commando. Gweld Caden? Yeah, let's mynd. Oh, right, dwi'n angen bod yn fe acos en Jack.
Na, di eisiau bod fe.
En Jack. Na, en Jack enw fi Jack, right.
Na, ni... Oh, come on.
Right, it moves up on nice. I'm really off here. Yeah, the amount of streak.
Chan.
Oh, wow. Oh, Chang and Little sick. So, alright, get use your control. So, B and jump. Nice. Oh, did you got a kick on that? Roundhouse kick. Pick a lot into Vitigaki. Oh, Dakota. Nice ammo. Pick on a land. Oh, the combat.
Di eisiau knife.
Oh, yeah, nice and good. And also shotguns and stuff. Oh, I'm holding better than 50. Frag grenade. Dakota. Oh, money. Come on. Oh, TLT. Nice, rock out it. Hello. Boom. Oh, shotgun. Pat, get it, shotgun. Did shotgun or shotgun? How many of them are going for you? Dakota. Come on, mate. Woo, my knife. Nice. Guy on a cop pistol. What does it off here? Hit a guy on a pistol. Nice. Oh, KD. Guy on a call shotgun. You should take a bet. Oh. Come on, Charlo. Can I pick up some bat on it?
Mae ddim yn gweithio.
Oh, na, ti'n angen bwr. Oh, ti eisiau hwnna? Nice. Let's mynd. Du-du-du. 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 Hwna'n pa dwi wedi deud ar. Dwi'n wedi chwarae e. Oh, gweld. Oh, cyn yn pigo lan y gun ti. Yn pigo lan y guy instead. Cyn yn good team. Truck yn cael... O, ni angen bito fe lad. O, ti'n cael y knife. Come on. O, Caden eat o apple on. Actually, dyn angen health. Ti'n bito lan y truck. Woo! O, mae'n mynd I explode! Neu mae'n mynd I ready for it, you know. Shotgun. Ha, nice. Pigo lan I hwnna.
Di fe ddim yn gadael fi.
O, a fel, okay, dwi'n bwyta hwnna. Bwyta hwnna, mae'n bwyta help, actually. Nice, let's mynd. Oh, come on, mate. Roi fi y gun ti, a fydd ni gyd yn ffrindiau. Hyd fi lan, nice. Take over in advance. Take over mass. Wyt ti cael knife wyt ti? Neu rocket launcher rhywbeth. O, ni angen ffeindio ti afon neu rhywbeth. Eat fe. Nice, let's mynd. O. Na, hwnna'n ddim yn... O, dy cael fi'n tu ôl I. Ni angen ffeindio rhyw weapon. Okay, the ti'n mynd I barrow. Oh, nice. shotgun. Pigalan igana. Nice. Come on. Okay then. Volunteer. Actually, I think I can have your come on,
Chan.
Oh, okay, then come on, try that alright.
Nice it.
Stop as a carrot. Can I need your press a B A? Press a call. Now need your press a call for a minute. We didn't wait. Okay. We didn't wait.
Then what's the bar? Edit bar and jump.
Yeah, but I wouldn't call. Well, couldn't you just do waste of it? Just do waste of it now. Okay, stop over there.
Kill it.
Oh, damn, waste. Even though I'm really funny, you just don't waste a pop everywhere you can. Right, Kaden, we can come to the guy down with it. Come on.
Dan can't do that.
Shotgun. Nice. So I'm gonna get a weapon up something. Come on, Kaden, don't you only team, don't protect the team.
I'm gonna be ready.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm gonna like pinball over that. I'm gonna call when you do record. Please. You gotta do well, kid. Don't lump it in. You shot. Oh wow, I just see red of training. I wonder if I wanna. Oh. I'm gonna get our nerfing really soon. Come on, Eric. 1v1 me more. Definitely stop her now.
Woo!
Need a minute, I'll park. Right, come on.
Jack,
Shotgun.
See,
Can you
you
break her
want
up?
to
Break her
make
up.
them film more.
Hey, done. Break her up. Nice.
See,
Take
you
off
want to
that.
make them leave film more.
Yeah, obviously. Oh, dogs. Okay, turn off the dogs. Oh, okay, then take out. We took out back. Nice voice. Oh, come on, dog. Now team murder. Animal abuse do we but on yeah.
Only time come back.
Right. Come on, Kaden. Did take on her. Oh, come on, Eric, man. Move on her. Come, Mr. Doggy. Yes. Oh, knife. Yes. Go on, Kaden. The shotgun back.
Now I got
Oh, okay. Take on a shotgun. Show your shotgun. Come with a shotgun. Oh. Let's take a guys right now. No. Oh, not die or rain. Die, you know. Doesn't mean even. Come on. Go on, Kaden. Yes, Kaden. Ah, okay. Let's take a guys right now. Come on, dog. Ah! I'm a breather. Deal. Come on. Come on, Kaden. Banana tea. Pass me your baton. Oh, go on, Kaden. Put it down, B. then. Oh, teeny good sniper. Diolch am gwylio y fideo hon a cofiwch subscribe ar account o Lara Gwaelod.
Yep.
Hwyl!
Mae'n lawr fan hyn.